Friends, as you can see, this is the box of the newly launched Boat Aavante Bar 1150. So that's a long name like this box. So we are gonna name it the bar in this video. So first we're gonna see what's written on the box, then we are gonna move inside the box. So first, as you can see, this is the image of the bar, how the bar looks. You get a remote inside the box, and here are some more information about the bar itself. Like, as you can see, it says Bluetooth 4.2, 4 dynamic drivers, fit for multi-purpose forms of entertainment, 60 watts of RMS, easy operational control and remote, sleek premium finish, and 2.0 channel surround sound. So now, as you can see, on the back side also the same thing, all the information about the speaker, the pricing is given. It says 10,000 rupees over here, like 9,990. I got it for very cheap in this big billion day sale. So let's open up the box and look inside what you get. So from here you open the box. Yeah. So the first thing you see is the speaker itself. So let me pull the speaker. It's a very long speaker. Yeah. So this is the speaker, and inside the box, and there's nothing else inside the box, as you can see. So you can see this is the accessory package. This is your remote, very nice. This is for mounting it onto the wall. Yeah, the speaker can be mounted on the wall. This is your manual, your warranty card over here. This is another manual over here, and yeah, some more stuff, like you get some pencil cells. This is for keeping the vibrations low from the speaker, so that there should not be any noises when you mount this speaker on the wall. And this is your aux cable, as you can see over here. So friends, till the time I clean up all this mess, you can take a look at the speaker.
We about to turn it on.
So friends, this is the Boat Aavante Bar, and first we're going to talk about the build quality and design on this speaker. Build quality wise, the whole shell on this speaker is made out of plastic. As you can see, the upper part, the back part and the bottom part is made out of plastic. The front part is made out of metal, because this is the grill you get in the front. Behind this grill you get 4 speakers, 2 on the left side and 2 on the right side over here. In the center you get the Boat logo, and on the right side you get this LED indicator over here. So the build quality, it's superb. This is a Boat product, so it's just going to be awesome. The experience when you buy this kind of a speaker, it's superb. This brand is doing a great job when it comes to the build quality part. And as you can see, the whole upper part or the whole shell on the speaker is piano black finished. The piano black finish gives the speaker a very high-end look. Like most of the high-end speakers might have this kind of finish to it, but the bad side of this kind of finish is that you might see a lot of scratches when the speaker gets old. Like if you are not maintaining, if you are carrying the speaker with you everywhere, so this speaker can get scratched up pretty well because of the color, because this, as you can see, it's a pretty shiny color, and you have to keep it clean all the time because dust, this is a dust magnet and fingerprint magnet, as you can see over here. So this can get dirty very easily, but at the end of the day it looks very premium. It looks super good in my opinion. And when we talk about the design might not be very eye-catching, because what can you do, This is called a bar because of this kind of a design, so you cannot change the design of this speaker. But overall I feel like it's looking good. They have done a great job when it comes to the quality of the speaker. It's just superb. So now we're going to move to the feature list of the speaker. And when we talk about the feature list is very long. Like for a bar at this price point, I got it for very cheap. Like you can find the links in the description, the first link to buy this speaker. So first of all, you get Bluetooth 4.2. This is a 60-watt speaker. You get a remote with the speaker. Like see, you get a proper remote with the speaker. And as you can see, with this remote you get different kinds of EQ modes. You have movie, you have 3D, you have news, music, and every EQ mode works very well. I'm going to show in the later part of the video when we are going to do the sound test of the speaker. And as you can see, you can control the treble, you can control the bass from the remote, you can control the volume, change tracks, you can go to pair on different kind of devices, you can go reset, and you can do many more stuff with this kind of a remote. This is a super good remote. It just feels very good with this remote, because and the range of this remote is also very long. The build quality of the remote is also good. It feels very good, and it's very good for the speaker. You can just sit back in front of your TV. If you want to change the volume or you want to do some different kind of stuff with this remote, you can do it. You don't have to go to the speaker and change the volume and do all kind of different settings on the bar. You can only use the remote. And the battery, like this is not a wireless bar. Like the connectivity option is wireless, but you get a wire behind the bar. Like you can see, it's connected. This is a 60-watt speaker, so it will not be wireless. This is a proper bar. Connectivity option is wireless. You cannot carry this speaker everywhere with you because this is a very heavy speaker, and this is not very portable also. So this has to be connected to a power point all the time to make it work. This gets auto shutdown feature. If you keep the speaker on for more than 10 minutes and you're not using it, it will automatically shut itself. So you get that kind of feature in this speaker. And you get all different kinds of EQ modes, which I have not seen in many speakers. So friends, now we're going to move to the sound test of this speaker, and I will show you the different kinds of EQ mode which this remote says, like all this stuff. So let's move into the sound test. Friends, now I've connected the speaker with my iPad over here. So I'm going to play the song. The name of the song is Cradle by NCS, and the volume from my device is full, as you can see over here. So now I'm going to play the song.
Maximum volume.
Kids screaming in the corridors, profanities. I see the eyes covered in ink. Cross out the ones who put my cars and rush me in. I love everything. Fire spreading all around the room. The world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
The bass increases.
Take my eyes up in the first reality. Why can't you just let me eat my way to be? I live inside my own world of make-believe.
As you have heard this speaker, now we come to a conclusion that the sound from this speaker is damn good. Like for a bar at this price point, this is a 60-watt bar, and it sounds so tremendous. Like you don't need a subwoofer with this speaker. Inbuilt there is a subwoofer. It sounds so good. Loudness wise, it's super loud, and the bass with that loudness, it's damn bassy. This is a wooden table. It vibrates the whole table over here. It's that deep, it's super deep. Like if you're sitting on your bed or on your sofa, you're watching a movie on this speaker, going to it's going to do a great job, because the bass on this speaker, it's tremendously good. Like highly recommended. Instead of going for the portable speaker, I feel like you should go for this speaker, because this is such a good speaker. Tremendously recommended, damn good. The features it provides, the sound quality is the main part about the speaker. It's super good. Want to buy this speaker? There is a link in the description, the first link. Go on that link, buy this speaker, because this is a superb speaker, very value for money speaker. Very. And there will be a person, if you don't know how to mount it on your wall, there will be a person from Boat coming to your house and will be mounting this speaker. You get all the mounting brackets inside the box, so that is a very convenient thing from Boat, because they are providing you with all the stuff. So this will be mounted up very easily by their own person, which is going to come at your house. So you don't have to worry about anything, like you have to put some holes on your walls. You don't have to do anything. That person will come and that person will do it. You just have to tell him how to do the stuff how you want it. So this is the very value for money speaker. The conclusion is very clear, tremendously recommended to everyone watching this video. Instead of going for a portable Bluetooth speaker or a Bluetooth speaker, go for this speaker. Don't buy a JBL speaker, go for this speaker, because it's just damn good. So friends, you know the drill. The links are in the description to buy this speaker. If you want to check the prices, the links are in the description. Do check the link in the description, the first link. Thank you for watching, friend. This is the unboxing and review of the Boat Aavante Bar 1150. Thank you for watching, friends.